This is really happening.
Hey there, new cellmate. What are you in for? I'm in for overly good juggling. Here, I'll show you. Well, it's obviously better with balls.
Pop starring.
Wow, the big leg! How'd you get into that? Any moment you'd say really led to where you are now?
I was found guilty, which means I'm a bad person, doesn't it?
Well, you are in prison.
I guess we should both look for new jobs now. Oh, 3 of us. Dog trainers?
House builder.
Zookeeper!
Guys, the prison break is on.
And when I was 5, I threw McLaren into a snot puddle. And when I was 6 3/4, I was sick in someone's hat. And when I was 7, I told a dog it had a weird face.
Hello, can I be moved to a quieter cell, please? Okay, we stick a blue light on top of the Jefferson, so we look like cops. Then we catch up to the inspector. Get her to stop her ship with no cell inside. Someone pretends to be a police officer and distracts the inspector with some cop chat while we break in and extract Nova. Now, who wants to be the police officer?
Stop! Police! I'm a police!
What's this all about, officer?
Good afternoon, fellow officer. This is just a routine stop. Can I see your license and registration?
Oh, of course.
You ready?
Now I'll just find you a 27B/6.
Of course. Your ship looks a lot like the Jefferson.
Oh, I used to be a big fan. Not now. Not now that I've heard she's broken the law. Blah.
I don't like to brag, but I was the arresting officer.
Were you now?
Uh-huh. Isn't being a police officer just the coolest job in the galaxy?
Nah, that's been a space captain.
What was that?
Oh my days, that's right. So what if I've never done anything else? I'm the captain of the Jefferson, which is the coolest job ever. I mean, I'm definitely a police officer.
Lol. Busted.
Cannot believe we got through those shield generators so quickly.
I told you we need those cardboard tubes and the bucket of paint.
And the fishing rod. Otherwise, those laser-sighted crocodiles would have... Go team!
Karen! Nova, come on, we're gonna get you out of here.
I think I might deserve to be here. I'm awful.
No, you're not, Nova, come on.
Nobody move.
I'm sorry, everyone. Turns out I love being a captain too much to hide it.
Aww. Hush now. You're all in big trouble. Imagine impersonating a police officer.
Why? That's what you're doing.
Okay. Let's get you locked up.
No. While we were trapped in the electrical grids and the heating ducts, I figured it out. This is ridiculous. Like, why couldn't I find anything on the talent laws? Why did the inspector not let us call her head office? And who stands to gain from Nova being out the charts? Oh, I know.
Is that the time? I must be going.
And who stands to gain the most from Nova being out the charts? It was Johnny all along!
Wait, who is that?
This is my cellmate, Elspeth. Elspeth, this is McLaren. Sid.
Hang on.
Sensation?
So, no, Johnny. Nova Jones and her sister McLaren, spoiling my plans again. Ever since I quit, I'm going home, and you'll regret the day you ever insulted Sensation. Since you ruined my huge acting career, I've been plotting my revenge. A huge music career. I needed to get rid of you so I could be a pop sensation. So I made a talent detector on my old oven timer and used my acting talent to convince you I was the police. That's why you went to the bathroom in the middle of the trial, so you could play yourself on the screen.
And you dressed as Elspeth, so...
So you'd give me all your career secrets? But you just droned on about how guilty you felt.
Wowee. So, I'm not guilty. But you made me feel really bad about being really good. And about being lazy and vain and sick in a hat.
You should feel bad about those last three.
That's not even how you get into music, Mrs. Evil Impersonator. You don't make all the talented people worse. You have to be better.
Good management is absolutely the place to start. Someone who schedules your practices, posts your tracks to Spacegram, gives you honest feedback, build word of mouth. Go on.
McLaren, stop giving her tips.